Hello, we're Mobility Masters Engineering. For our senior design project, we were tasked with lane enhancements for the Northshore Concord Roundabout, located in West Knox County. We worked alongside our mentor, Alan Childers of Cannon & Cannon, and our client, Aaron Fritz of Jacobs Engineering.
My name is Jarrett Hill, and I was responsible for designing the eastbound bypass lane and the westbound acceleration lane that were added to the site. The eastbound bypass lane was implemented to help alleviate the ongoing traffic congestion at the roundabout. Meanwhile, the westbound acceleration lane was designed to create a safer merging condition for drivers entering the roundabout from the north. One key positive outcome for our client, Aaron Fritz, is that we successfully incorporated both enhancements, the bypass lane and the acceleration lane, into the roadway, meeting the desired objectives and improving overall functionality of the roundabout.
My name is Clayton Hollifield, and I was responsible for conducting the traffic analysis for the project as well as designing the pedestrian infrastructure. The level surface was calculated to demonstrate the site's increased throughput with implementation of our design, and the pedestrian infrastructure was designed to create a safe passing between the hiking trails and the greenway that are adjacent to the project. The experience of participating in a senior design project personally allowed me to utilize the skills and technical abilities I've accumulated throughout my time within the civil engineering program to a real-world application, as well as allowing me to learn directly from field experienced mentors, offering me an insight to my future profession.
For our project, I was responsible for designing a retaining wall for the south side of the roundabout due to the addition of a bypass lane in the eastbound direction. Soil and strength characteristics were determined based on soil analysis, and based on these conditions, a Redi-Rock gravity retaining wall was designed based on Redi-Rock Design software. One positive outcome that I have received through working on this project is understanding the construction process from beginning to end.
I was responsible for designing a ditch and catch basin to the southeast of the roundabout. The ditch served to direct water away from the new retaining wall, and the new basin was connected to the existing drainage system by a reinforced concrete pipe. One unexpected challenge of this project was the accumulation of water along the new bypass lane's island median, and this issue was solved by designing curb cuts for the median, allowing the water to flow freely.
Roundabout enhancement required a well-thought-out traffic control plan in order to maintain safety and mobility throughout construction. Construction was divided into two phases with the intention to minimize obstruction to the intersection. The use of traffic control devices was carefully designed to ensure driver and worker safety while complying with standard codes. New signage was required to ensure that drivers would be aware of the changes and take their optimal travel path. Guide signs were updated to promote use of the new lanes, and pedestrian signs were added to accompany the new crosswalk.
I'm Juwaan Jefferson, and I was responsible for developing a construction cost estimation and schedule for the project. The project was split into 3 phases of construction using the critical path method. This was done to decrease site crowding and safety risk during the construction of the project.